Our daily shaving routine robs our male skin of valuable moisture. And I'm sure you know the sinking feeling when you have a mishap and cut yourself. Our skin often feels stressed and sensitive afterwards. That's why I'm especially thankful for our product Gentleman's Pride, that has the article number 70.
I'm quite sure of that, Ralph, because Gentleman's Pride brings relief and comfort exactly where you need it and helps the skin to regain its softness with Forever Aloe Vera. Chamomile also helps to soothe stressed and sensitive skin, and rosemary stimulates circulation and ensures a healthy, fresh complexion.
And naturally, Gentleman's Pride is completely alcohol-free to ensure that the skin is not additionally dried out or irritated. What I particularly like is its subtle scent and the light texture that is immediately absorbed by the skin, and it leaves no trace of grease or oil. So you have an aftershave and a moisturizing lotion in one. Perfect.
And the wonderful thing is that both men and women like the smell, and that's why even I really like to use Gentleman's Pride. For example, on my décolleté, because it also contains hyaluronic acid. The skin in the cleavage area is quite thin and tends to get more wrinkles, so it's the perfect skincare. And women can use it after shaving